I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Elementor in WordPress. Getting started is quite simple, taking just a few minutes. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins menu, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor Website Builder. Once found, click Install Now and then Activate. This process quickly integrates Elementor into your site, ready for design. Now that Elementor is active, let's create your first page. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages and select Add New. You'll see a button that says Edit with Elementor. Click it to launch the page builder. The Elementor editor will appear, featuring a left sidebar filled with various elements. Begin by adding a new section and choosing a column structure to lay the foundation for your design. Widgets are the building blocks of your Elementor pages. These are pre-designed elements such as headings, images, and text editors, offering extensive functionality. Simply drag a desired widget from the left sidebar and drop it onto your page canvas. Each widget has 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. The Content tab lets you edit text or images. Style controls appearance like colors and fonts, and Advanced offers layout and motion effects. Elementor offers powerful features to streamline your workflow. You can save any page or even specific sections as reusable templates, accessible from your Elementor library. These templates can be exported as JSON files, allowing you to easily import them onto other WordPress websites. Additionally, Elementor's global settings enable you to define consistent fonts, colors, and responsive behaviors across your entire site, ensuring a cohesive and professional look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.